Hello all, my name is Pawan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, how are you doing? Hope you all doing good and hope you all doing fine. So we are going to continue our Microsoft Excel playlist, and today we are going to discuss about how to use auto format in MS Excel. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. So let's get into this. So this is our main topic, like how to use auto format in MS Excel. So this is the file guys, MS Excel file. So here we can see many different columns like gender, race, parental level of education, lunch, test preparation course, math course, reading course, and writing course. And we can see different columns having a different values. So suppose if we want to format this particular file, like suppose like for this particular column I would give it as yellow, and for this particular column for the heading I would give it as some other different color. So instead of doing this row column by column, so it's somewhat a tedious task and it's a time consuming to do the format for the entire file, like selecting all the columns and going here and selecting whatever the whether we want all the borders or we want right border, everything and all. So there is one shortcut option like where we can use auto format option, so that it will be formatted for the entire file or whatever the columns we want. So for that what we have to do is like we have to select all the columns and the rows for which we want to perform in auto format. Suppose here I am selecting for the entire rows and columns. Now press Alt O A so that you can get the different auto format options. Here you can see a different options. So here I'm going to select one of the option. Let's see like whether I will select the classic one or simple one. So let's select the classic one. So press on the particular format, whichever the format you want, and press OK. So that now you can see the entire file is auto formatted. So here we can see with all the rows and columns have been auto formatted. Now let's see with some other options, like how we can do auto format with some other different style or a different way. Let's press again Alt O A. Then again we can see the different auto format options. So let's select some of the other options. Let's select this particular option, accounting 3. So let's click on that and let's press OK. So now you can see that the entire file is auto formatted, and here you can see clearly with the different columns, gender, race, ethnicity. And suppose if you want to add all the borders for this particular file, you can press all borders, so that now it looks more clear and it's looking very nice guys. And let's see with some of the other options. Let's again press Alt O. It's coming like this because you selected only one cell. Okay, we have to select all the cells. Okay. So now we can choose some other options. Let's choose this colorful option. Let's choose this colorful 3 option and press OK. So now look, it looks somewhat more brighter and somewhat looks more clear. So this is the way like where you can do auto formatting instead of selecting column by column or row by row. So this looks more clear and this looks more perfect guys. So that's all about this video. Hope you like this particular video. Please just subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you on the. Thank you. Bye bye.